Good morning. Will more countries get the green light this summer? The so-called green list of holiday destinations will be updated later, meaning we can travel without having to quarantine. So what are the possibilities and what could it mean for the travel industry?
Good morning. A win for England.
This is the BBC. Normal programming has been suspended. This is the BBC. Normal programming has been suspended. This is an emergency broadcast from BBC One. Important information will follow. Please listen in carefully. At 2:55 this morning, NASA discovered multiple objects entering the solar system. They are intended to arrive in 5 hours at their current speed. We are not sure what they intend to do. This is all the information we have currently. Please await more information. Major emergency update. This is an emergency update for earlier. The objects have started to suck planets out of their orbit. We have lost Pluto and Neptune, and it is certain we will lose more. Uranus and Saturn are currently being sucked out of orbit. It is certain that Jupiter and Mars are next, then Earth. We advise you to say your final goodbyes, embrace your loved ones. Stay indoors as this crisis unfolds. NASA has officially deemed these objects as small black holes. This is all from us at the BBC. The end countdown will start shortly. Try not to panic, as you may cause others to also panic, then cause chaos. As the countdown goes down, our national anthem will play.